Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add books to Goodreads challenge. All right. So first up, go ahead and log into goodreads.com. Now, once you're in here, as you can see, we have this reading challenge on the left panel. All right. Just click on the start challenge button. Okay. Just click on it. And once done, go ahead and click on set a goal. Now, for example, it says here, how many books would you like to read this year? For example, 5 books. All right. Just type in 5 and hit on save. Wait for it. Now, as you can see here, 2 of books read, 227 days left. Now, in order to add a book right here under the Goodreads Reading Challenge, all right, you're going to want to go to the search bar right here and look for a specific book, or go to your My Books right here at the top. Click on it. Now go ahead and look for a book. For example, this one right here. I haven't read this one. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the edit button right here under to read. I'm going to edit this one. And then I'm going to go ahead and make it currently reading. I'm going to go ahead and add in a review. All right. For example, I'm going to give it 5. Write a review. Like very nice. All right. I'm going to post it. Now I'm going to go back to My Books right here. And then as you can see here under review, we have this edit button. Okay. Make sure that you set the date started right here, which is maybe today. And then you ended reading this maybe today as well. Now, once that's done, I'm going to hit on save, wait for it to load. I'm going to go back to Goodreads home. I'm going to view my challenge right here. As you can see, we have 3 books now. All right. And here we have the added book. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.